time has come to solve one of the most asked questions by lovers of search engine positioning and marketing. What is the difference between SEO and SEM? SEO and SEM are two terms and acronyms that are often used interchangeably without a clear understanding of how they're related and how they differ. It definitely won't be the first or the last time you hear these terms, even more so if you work in online marketing. One of the first things about digital advertising that every business owner and marketer should know is what SEO and SEM mean. And guess what? These terms get mixed up all the time. Don't let the same thing happen to you though. So let's start. What are SEO and SEM? First of all, they don't mean the same thing. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all the work done on a website to place the page in the first results of the search engine in an organic or natural way. That means without paying. If we achieve this, we will obtain greater visibility, more traffic to our website, and other great results. On the other hand, SEM stands for search engine marketing. Businesses use this advertising method to rank higher on the SERP and get better results. It involves bidding, keywords, ads optimization, and different marketing strategies. In short, we can say that you can live only from SEO or SEM, but having both coexist together can help you achieve much better results. But why are SEO and SEM relevant terms? Okay, as mentioned before, SEO and SEM have particular purposes. However, they both have one thing in common. They're extremely helpful in keeping your business visible, valuable, and available for your customers. So what are the benefits of SEO? Number one, increases traffic and improves brand awareness. If you perform the keyword audit correctly, your website will receive quality organic traffic. And check this out, 60% of advertisers state that SEO helps you get the most qualified leads. Why? Because appearing at the top of the page, you become the first to provide a solution to the user's need. Number two, it is not expensive to implement. In theory, you don't have to spend money to rank higher on Google. Investing in your SEO strategy often has more to do with time, effort, and knowledge, and also dedicated optimizations. The good news regarding SEO is that you don't need to invest massive amounts of money in reaching your goals. All you need is the knowledge and the time to keep your website and strategy in place. And number three, it helps you focus on user experience. This one is a bit more general. However, it is perfect for covering some important factors of on-page SEO. Google takes into account the experience you offer to your page visitors. For this reason, your website must be optimized so that users have a satisfactory experience when scrolling through your site. The more beneficial for your customers, the better your ranking results. On the flip side, we have the SEM advantages. Compared to SEO, the main difference is that search engine marketing allows you to gain the same visibility in less time and with less effort. By implementing an SEM campaign, Google will place your ads in front of potential customers whenever they look for your products or services, increasing your chances of converting in the blink of an eye. With SEM positioning, you can have total control over stopping or starting campaigns. And since you know which keywords convert best, you can decide to change the ads for better performing ones whenever you want. Some targeting options available include demographics, location, interest, and many more. You only have to set up your campaign with the most suitable options and voila, you'll start boosting your digital advertising results. Takeaways. As you can see, the potential of organic positioning is something you cannot miss. Your competitors are achieving more visits, more sales, and greater brand recognition. So if you want to succeed in your market, it's time to start taking advantage of everything this popular marketing technique has to offer. Hopefully you have entirely grasped the difference between SEO and SEM by now. If this is the case, then you can also know how they can both help you achieve positive results. Your next step, take action. And there you have it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to get notified of our latest videos on digital marketing. We post new content every week. See you for the next one.